Welcome to Jazu Channel. People found missing after going into Yasuda train station. YouTubers went in the train station while recording live on YouTube, and footage has shown that there is no end to the train station.
Do not go to this train station. God may be with you.
Why do I hear ticking? Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, goodbye.
Goodbye, Felicia.
Okay, what if we hear? What? No, I'm not looking at you. Let me get my paper.
Bruh.
No. That went to space. That went to space, little bratty. Wait. I don't care what you say, I'm going here. Because I think I went the wrong way. So I'm going here. Don't judge me. What was that? Oh no. Oh no. No. I'm not dealing with a demon today. I am not dealing with a demon. Okay, I'm at 3. Okay, that was deep space for a bit. Oh god. No, I'm not looking at you. Why should I look at you if you don't look at me? No. If there's... Yes, yeah. I think I should turn back. No. He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. I'm at 0. Goodbye, mister. Goodbye with your ugly clown sign. Okay. What did I do? No. Why is it... Why did it look like that? Look at the atmosphere a little bit. Okay. Looking good. Looking smacks. Jesus, have my heart. No. Yeah, we're at 1. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna make it. No. I just saw a clown over there. Wait, what? Are you kidding? I don't know how I can be going the wrong way at all. Is there something wrong with him? What was he doing? Hello. Hello, Jello. Why are they the same name? This is such a hard game. Looked at him. You can't pull me. I just saw the 0. You can't pull me. Now he's gonna dance. Yeah. Now I turn around. I'm just gonna get turned black. That sounded racist. Down to 0? What are you... Why? Who is that? 7, let's go. And when I see the red line, who cares about that? We're gonna cross it. What? Wait. What? What? Where? What? That's because I was wrong. Let's go. Now there's a red line. Oh! Yes! Please.
Hindi na hindi.